Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 1-bath, newly renovated, beautifully updated home. It's got a few extra bonuses that you're not going to want to miss. A detached flex space, maybe that potential 3rd bedroom, and also a large level yard with a detached shop. It's not one you're going to want to miss. Come home to a light-filled interior featuring fresh paint, large windows, and charming built-ins. Your kitchen is equipped with some stainless steel appliances and beautiful cabinetry. Recent upgrades include a brand new 50-year roof, new electrical panel, and new water heater. Look at this outside. Enjoy a fully fenced backyard, covered patio, and a spacious shop perfect for projects, hobbies, or extra storage. Now that you've seen some of the unique features this property has to offer you, let's take a step into the neighborhood and community that surrounds it. With sidewalk streets, this home is just 1 block from Bloomington Park and the local elementary school, with great access to I-205, public transportation, and nearby shops and dining, making it truly a wonderful place to call home. Would you love to see more? Just simply click the link below to schedule your private tour. I'd love to show you around.